everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1012 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm really excited to try out these Violet Voss Lip Glosses. And so these are some products that I actually was able to redeem some Ipsy points for a little while ago. So I picked it up in both shades that they had available. So I got the shade Adore, which is this really pretty pink one here. And I also got the shade Dream, which is a lot more glittery. But so these have a retail value of $12 and they seem really nice. Like, I love the packaging. Let's go ahead and swatch them first. So first, swatching Adore. Ooh, that is really nicely pigmented. That looks like it's going to give opaque color. And I love that shade. I love a kind of medium pink that's similar to my natural lip color, but just amped up. Just an easy one to reach for at any time. And I love reaching for glosses because my lips are very dry and I feel like these are always very flattering. Let's see the sparkly one. Ooh, really pretty also. Definitely not as much color, but really pretty sparkle. I feel like that'll be a really pretty lip topper. Maybe I should try them both at the same time. That would be so pretty. So here are how those swatches look. Both of them seem very shiny. My lips are dry, so this will be a test of how they really feel on dry lips. So first I am going to apply the shade Adore, and I like the applicator of this. It's like a pointy kind of like arrowhead, but it's open in the middle, so it holds more product. Here is how that applicator looks. I love that I can get that precise shape with the tip of the applicator. Let's see. I think I get a slight fruity scent to this. It's very subtle. But I love this. It is so beautiful. Just what I was wanting and hoping for from this gloss. Beautiful full color, so comfortable and hydrating on my lips, but then a beautiful shine, and I love this shade. So I definitely love just how this looks on its own. I would definitely wear this all the time alone, but I have to add the sparkle to it from this one called Dream. Ooh. It's actually a little bit hard to see since it's already like a very high shine gloss. And the sparkles are actually pretty small, like pretty small shimmer particles, which I prefer. Like, I prefer small shimmer over that big chunky glitter. So this would be a beautiful lip topper over pretty much anything, I feel like. Ooh, I'm very excited about these. So glad I was able to get two of them. I absolutely love how my lips look right now and how my lips feel. It's not a super thick gloss, not sticky at all. I feel like that high shine just makes the lips look so good. My lips look smoothed out, they look fully hydrated, that full opaque color. So I really, really like these lip glosses. I think $12 is not too bad for how great these are and compared to other more expensive glosses. Although lip glosses are one of those products that I feel like you do not have to spend a lot of money on. I love dollar store lip glosses. I don't think that you can get these in Ipsy points at the moment, but if they ever go back on Ipsy points, I would definitely recommend them, and I would pick up some more myself. Even if these were an Ipsy option, I would say that they are a good choice. So if you have tried out these glosses, let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. And I would just like to know in the comments what your favorite lip glosses are in general. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.